Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus. You know, one of the great things about the StudioLive Series III mixers is that you can take advantage of the many presets we've installed for you. You can use these in your shows or as a jumping off point to edit and then save them as your own custom presets. Let's take a look at how to load a fat channel preset and then save it as your own on a Series 3 mixer using universal control. Here we see our mixer in UC. Let's name channel 9. And then I'll hit this menu icon at the right of my screen. And on the next page, we see all of my presets. I can scroll down or click the category dropdown and select guitar to narrow my search. Let's select the Electric Bass 2 preset. When I hit recall, you can see that my EQ has changed. Now let's make a custom preset. I'll change the EQ a little bit, and then I'll go back down to my preset list, select an empty location, and when I hit Store, I'm prompted to name it and choose a category. When I confirm, my preset is saved in the mixer and loaded onto my channel. To delete a custom preset, I'll simply scroll down to it, click the X on its button, confirm, and it's gone. A super quick workflow allowing you to take advantage of our presets and then making them your own. It's just another way StudioLive Series 3 mixers give you all the power you need for your live shows and recordings. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.